Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with AT&T detailed guide step by step clearly. To budget effectively with AT&T, start by gathering your current account information. Visit the AT&T website or open the AT&T mobile app on your device. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section to review your current plan details. Take note of your monthly charges and any additional fees or taxes. Analyze your usage patterns to determine which services you actually need. Consider if you are overpaying for features you don't use, such as data or add-ons. Explore AT&T's different service plans available on their website. Compare these plans against your current usage and needs. Select a plan that fits your budget and offers the necessary features. If you decide to switch plans, follow the prompts to change your service. Next, set a monthly budget that includes your AT&T bill along with other essential expenses. Create a separate category for discretionary spending in your overall budget. To stay on budget, monitor your usage regularly through the app or website. Consider setting up autopay for your AT&T bill to prevent late fees. Review your budget at the end of each month to track your spending. Adjust your plan or budget as needed based on your financial situation. By following these steps, you can ensure effective budgeting with AT&T. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.